Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we will assemble these parking lot. I bought these at the toy show yesterday and we will assemble it. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 parking spot lot, and it is made from Sintra board and printed with a UV ink so it won't fade like the guys say. So let's check it out. So I think this one is the wall. So you might need a glue for this one because this is just a cutout. Pieces of Sintra board. So I think it goes this way, and the wall is like this, and the other wall is like this. Nice. So let's assemble it. So here it is, guys. So instead of using the Mia cement glue, I end up using this glue from dollar store. It holds more stronger than that one. So, and there's also a technique for you to be able to put it properly. You need to use masking tapes. So before you glue anything, just make sure you use masking tapes to hold it, and then you put your glue on it. So let's put some cars in it, how it looks like, and let's see. Let's put some Shmi mobiles, how it looks. Nice. Yeah, so I also have some 1/164 scale figures, so we will use it here. We're gonna do some diorama theme, like a car show in a car lot theme photo shoot some other time. But for now, that's it for this parking lot assembly. Nice. It's good for a photo shoot if you're into diecast photography. So yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Please don't forget to hit the like button, please subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye.